Hello, hello. All the girls are on this side, all the boys are on this side. So you'll be in the first cabin behind this building. Okay. It's cabin 8.
Okay,
yep.
Thank you.
Take care. We'll see you at 4:30. So this is our Green Wing Adventure. We put it on every year for kids that have come to camp. And it's not just at Curry, it could be at Wallace or Webb, or 2 other camps throughout the state. And the ones that came got all their patches. Their name gets put into a drawing. We draw 9 boys and 9 girls to get to come on this great duck hunt.
So we were in the couch and we were just watching TV. Then my dad got a call from the Kentucky Fish and Wildlife, and we were drawing for the duck hunt, and I called all my friends and told them that we are going hunting.
I was going to bed and my dad called me and he was like, "You got selected for the duck hunt." So I got up, I went to my mom and I was like, "Mom, I got in the duck hunt." And I was like jumping up and down. I was really excited.
So right now, the kids and the parents are starting to come in, roll in. We're giving them the lay of the land. Some of them have been here, some of them haven't been here, but we're just getting them situated in cabins, and we'll see everybody down at introductions at 4:30.
We do some introductions. We want them to get to know us, but we also want to get to know them. So we'll spend a little bit of time doing that. And as we move through the introductions, we also want them to get involved in potentially learning how to take what they harvest and actually put it on the table. So the kids helped doing a wild game appetizer. We did venison meatballs.
All right, guys, so we're gonna give you all some hands-on experience with some wild game cooking. So right now you all have got all the ingredients for some spicy cocktail venison meatballs. So first thing you gotta do is we gotta mix it up. So start mixing and let's see who's got the best tray.
Okay. The appetizer preparation was really fun. It gave us like a hands-on experience.
So as we wrapped up getting those appetizers ready, we then went outside for a little bit. Courtney Goodman, she is one of our hunter ed instructors. She has a dog. She's training up to be a duck retrieving dog. So she brought Squire with her and showed the kids what Squire can do at this point. And he's still a puppy and still learning, but also gave them some tips on how to maybe train their own dog or what it might be like to have a dog that can hunt with you. So Squire helped her out for a little bit.
All right, so he has a hand launcher. It is a little loud. It's a 22 blank, but with y'all being over here, you'll be fine. But I'm just gonna show you a little bit of how we train every day. Squire. You see him throw that bed back. He's got some ump to him when he goes. Here. Good boy, here. Place, place. Drop. Good boy. Leave it. Place.
The first night, we also do a duck cleaning demonstration. Alex Klein came down and he showed them how to fully pluck a duck and breast a duck.
I'm just using my thumb and my pointer finger, and I'm pinching all the way down to the skin and pulling these feathers out. This is called a glie. It's gonna burn those pin feathers off that breast. Take our knife, I'm gonna cut right down this breastbone. All right, so we end up with that breast, thigh, tenderloin. We'd clean up these feathers, and then it's ready for the skillet.
And then the day of the hunt on Saturday, after the kids come back with all their ducks, we'll let the kids get hands-on and do their own ducks themselves. All right, so we just wanted to do a little duck hunting 101 because we know a lot of you have never been.
First duck hunt, but not my first hunt. I've been hunting since I've been 5, and I killed a hog at 5.
It's my first hunt in general, and I'm gonna have a fun time.
This year around, we don't have many, if any, that actually have duck hunted. So we want to spend some time with them kind of going through what some of the laws are, or what to expect when they got to the duck blind, what some of the ducks actually look like, so they can maybe help out with some of the ID and kind of know what's going on once they got into the blind. So it was to give them that background knowledge so they feel a little bit more confident when they step in the blind, what they're seeing and what they're going to be doing.
So we do a brief duck calling demonstration. We go over the different calls and the different species. And then after that, we actually give them their own duck call, some of them their first duck call, and we let them go out and let them blow really loud. We assign shotguns. The department provides the guns they'll actually be using and the ammo. And we also assign which blind they're going to. We'll get a very good night's sleep, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have a really exciting hunt.
So it's Saturday morning, day 2. Hopefully everybody got a good night's sleep. We're gonna get breakfast here in a few minutes, and then we're gonna go shoot some shotguns to get the kids familiar again with shooting those guns before we head out to the blinds today.
There you go. Pump. Hit that safety for me. There we go. Put that shell in. Pump forward. Left hand there, right hand there. You'll pull when you're ready, and he'll throw that pigeon.
Pull.
There you go. Good stuff.
They're doing pretty good. They've all been to camp before, and most of them are shooting at least 2 out of 3. So if we see a lot of ducks, there'll be a lot of ducks that get taken. Yay! Most of the hunting spots that these kids are going to be in are in Ballard County.
We just got here at the hunting location. We're meeting the landowner right now.
These are usually guides who, throughout the whole season, they put on some really, really good hunts for clients, and these kids get to go out there and hunt these great spots for free.
I cannot be more grateful for them for allowing us to hunt on their properties, because they're really going to be making the event what it is.
Don't be claiming her ducks, okay?
You can't do that.
You'll be claiming my duck.
I'll shoot all the ducks.
This is actually my first green wing as well with the department, so I'm very excited to go out with the kiddos this evening. I'm going with Ellie and Colton, and so I think they're excited, and I hope I get to see them harvest some ducks.
We're about to head out to the blind, and we've seen a few ducks so far.
I'm gonna miss the Louisville basketball game, but that's okay, because we're gonna be hunting. Hopefully we can get something.
We've got it set up out here for snow geese, speckled bellies, ducks, so we can decoy them all in. We've had an exceptional year this year. And I think this is just a great thing that the state does. We've got to keep these kids interested in hunting and keep bringing more and more in.
When we get to the blinds, we'll show them exactly where to stand, exactly how to pop up, and we'll practice that before they even take their first shots.
This is my grandson Bailey. He really likes to do the calling. They usually tell me to put my call up. I had to look for it this morning.
Most of the blinds will have dogs. The ones that do not will have guides there that will walk out and retrieve the ducks afterwards.
Get on your whistle. Right in front of us, right in front of us. Get ready, right in front of us. They're coming back. Get ready, get ready. Take your shot. Kill them. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot again. Shoot, you got one. Shoot. Got 2. Good Lord. What are you talking about?
Okay. Yep, safety.
Oh, I killed my first duck.
That is great.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good on the dinner table.
You see that duck right over top of those decoys? Yeah. It's right there. See him right there? See him right in that gap?
No.
Okay, wait just a minute. Thank you.
I think he went in the corn.
Okay, got some more coming in.
Got one on the right.
Kill him. Kill him.
I got one.
Shoot him again. Shoot him again.
Got him.
Somebody.
There you go. Boy, you smoked him.
I just smoked him.
Smoked him.
He was just staying there and I went boom. He's down. Play my safety's on.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. This is the one. That's the one he shot over there. Hers, I think, is the dog's getting it.
So this is one I shot. He was still like fluttering in the air, and I was like, okay, well I guess I'll shoot him. And so I pumped it again, and then I shot him, and then he fell.
All right, so we've got 2 ringneck ducks that they've shot and 1 green-winged teal. And we've got 1 more out in the corn, but these ducks are coming in so good right now. We're gonna wait, and then we'll go get that other duck later.
Kill it, kill it, kill it.
Nice! That was a good one! Get it!
Nice shot.
Shot! Awesome! It's a mallard. Big one, too. Oh yeah. This one's going on the wall.
Boy, it's a swan. That's a swan. Don't shoot. There's your eagle right there. So we've seen a couple of eagles, a swan, and ducks and geese, and we're just having a big old time. This looks good. Get ready down there. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Let's go!
Oh, mate, that is great.
I think we're doing pretty good for our first duck hunt.
Try him. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Oh, he going down, he going down. Oh, he down, boom.
There you go, girl. You're gonna be a natural.
Yeah, that was a long shot.
Okay, stay low. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh, what a shot! Oh, what a shot!
Nice job. This is a nice little mallard, actually.
We had a great hunt here today. Hopefully, seeing the experiences these kids got to have will inspire other kids to want to enjoy camp, come to camp, and hopefully get drawn for this great experience. And we hope that they continue this on into their lives. Did you guys have fun today?
It was awesome.
We had a blast.
I'll tell you, I really enjoyed it. I've been doing this for 30 years, and these two did the best shooting that's ever been done. That's their first duck hunt on top of that, so I'm mighty proud of them.